Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station. Today's video is all about the Shein shopping. I shopped one top and 4 earrings. First let's talk about the top. This is the top which I wore. I'll show a close up, the full size of my outfit. So this is the top. It's short 3/4 sleeve. It's comfortable, not very tight. It's like a crop top, little above than my waist, and I like that the tie thing. It looks really nice and stylish, so very comfortable. The neck is quite deep. You can wear a spaghetti, a black color spaghetti or a white spaghetti or red. It will go any of the color inside this, and it is little transparent, so that's the reason you have to wear a spaghetti. So I will share with you the other 4 earrings what I shopped from there. So let's check that out. This one, it's in golden and this is orange, and price of this I'll mention in right below in my video, so you can check that out. So I love this earring. It's little blingy kind of earring, and this is a rough kind of material it's used, and it really look good on all your western outfits. You can see, and I don't know if it's going in this. There is orange color in this, so I think it will go in all your outfit. Even if you wear white or black, it will definitely go. So I like this earring and blingy kind, and I loved it. The price of this I'll mention in below. So, and also if any of the earring you like, I will share the link in my description box. You can go ahead and purchase it from there right away. You will directly reach on the Shein page of this earring. The second earring is this. This is also similar kind of earring. This detailing is here, and this is also golden color, and the price of these earrings are very reasonable. I think it's all below 200. So, and the material is awesome. I don't think so these jewelry will turn black, and you just keep it in the same plastic, or if you have a small boxes, just keep it, preserve it in the same boxes, and it will remain. I'm sure it will last for 5-6 years. So the material is very nice, and this is same kind of design and pattern what this rough ये जो खुरदुरा material है. It's like similar kind, only that is orange and this is also golden. This will go in any kind of dress, go in your traditional outfit as well. If you're wearing a salwar kameez or kurtis or formals, I'm sure this will go in anything. So this earring also I'll share the link in my description box. So the third earring which I took is this in yellow color, and the circle thing is in golden, and this is very light. I'm feeling that I'm wearing any earrings. This is super light. The other 2 earrings were little in heavy kind of. I'll just show the close up. This is similar. You can see it's in golden. This is in not proper golden kind. You can see, I hope the color my camera picks up. It's in rose gold, which is in trend right now. So this is rose gold kind of color, and this is proper gold, but the material you can see it's like that kurduro kind of and it's I like this, especially in earrings. It looks nice and trendy, so this is different. And this one is gold. This thing is gold, and this is in yellow, and this is really going out in this outfit of mine. And it's like picnic kind of, beachy kind of vibes, and love this earring. I think also this was below 200. It was something 150, 170. Come on guys, these earrings are super reasonable, very affordable. Like 150 में आपको market में normal local market में those oxidized kind of earrings भी मिल जाते हैं जो 1 साल के अंदर काले पड़ जाते हैं. So these earrings, I'm sure this will last for more than 5-6 years. But this is the last earring, and I'm sure ये video थोड़ा सा डल दिख रहा होगा for this last earring, especially because मेरी घर की लाइट चली गई है, और ये last earring के लिए मैं वेट नहीं कर सकती. So this is the last earring. I hope you can see the color. This is in turquoise blue kind of color and bluish green. Turquoise color, that's the specific word which is used in this kind of color. And I'll share the close-up. The earring is little different. I love this kind of pattern, and this is like a leaf I think it's a palm leaf or something. I'm sure this is going in this outfit as well because there's a leaf drawn over here. And this also gives me a picnic, Goa, beach kind of vibes. So this will go in any of your... Yes, one more thing I wanted to share is these earrings. All 4 earrings are the hooks behind this. Now this is a yellow one. The hooks behind this is in plastic. And the hook behind this earring, it's you know the पुराना स्टाइल का हुक जो होता था ऐसे वाला. I hope you can see. You know this kind of bow kind of. It's an old pattern. ये क्या हो गया मेरे हाथ को? So it's an old pattern. So all 4 earrings I got different kind of hooks. So I'll share the other one. And this hooks here. In this earring I got this kind of. In this earring also I got similar but a plastic thing. And in this I got a plastic only. I didn't get that golden thing. This kind of golden I didn't get in this. Only that's a different thing in the Shein jewelry. So rest the product is all good. Only the hook thing is different in all 4 earrings. So don't get upset. What's that hook का क्या है? You can exchange from one earring to another as well. Hooks तो कोई भी earring से भी ले सकते हैं. So I hope you like this video, and which earring did you like, and if you like this top as well, let me know in my comment section. And if you also want me to do such jewelry hauls, also let me know in the comment section. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video to all your friends and family. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video to all your friends and family. Also follow me on Instagram, and that's my ID, that's just chill my dog. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.